Published 1917 Friday 06 October 2017. The incident happened when the police service of Northern Ireland helicopter was in the skies above Belfast on Thursday night monitoring crowds attending the Northern Ireland vs Germany Football International. The accused, who was arrested in the North Belfast area on Thursday night, has been charged with endangering the safety of an aircraft and shining a light to dazzle or distract a pilot. He is due to appear in court in Belfast on Thursday, November 2. Copyright C Press Association Limited 2017, all rights reserved. Merge accounts custom true.